Did you know about the major tax law changes in the United States for 2023? It's a fascinating journey, starting from when they were proposed and culminating in their passage. Back in August 2022, the U.S. Senate passed a climate, healthcare, and tax bill that could significantly impact corporate earnings and spur a rush of share repurchase plans. This bill introduced a new excise tax on stock buybacks and a minimum 15% tax on corporations. Expected to receive approval from the Democratic-controlled House of Representatives and the signature of President Joe Biden, these taxes were estimated to lower 2023 earnings per share of S&P 500 companies by around 1.5%. But not all sectors stood to lose. Electric vehicle makers, biofuel, and solar energy sectors potentially stood to gain from the bill. Investors predicted a surge of corporate buybacks before year's end. The bill also included a $4,000 tax credit for used electric vehicles and funding for EV production. Biotech and pharma stocks might rebound due to the bill's impact on negotiating drug prices. Moving forward to September, President Joe Biden signed the $430 billion Inflation Reduction Act. This law allows the government to negotiate prices on certain prescription drugs and cap costs for the Medicare health program. Starting in 2024, the government will negotiate prices for 10 drugs that have no cheaper generic alternatives. These new prices will take effect in 2026. The law excludes newer medicines, generic drugs, biosimilars, and many rare disease drugs. The government plans to negotiate prices on more drugs in the future. Beginning in 2025, Medicare enrollees will have their out-of-pocket pharmacy drug costs capped at $2,000 per year. To summarize, in 2023, there will be significant changes to the U.S. tax laws. These changes will affect corporate earnings, the electric vehicle, biofuel, and solar energy sectors, and the costs associated with certain prescription drugs for Medicare enrollees. These new laws represent a substantial shift in the U.S. tax landscape, and it's essential to stay informed about these changes, as they could potentially impact you or your business. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding these new tax laws could help you navigate the financial landscape in the year ahead. Stay informed, stay ahead.